Good morning, students. Again, today we are going to continue the chapter modal helping word. Today we start with the word must. When, in which situation we will use must. First situation is a strong advice or instruction. If you are to give a strong advice or instruction, in that situation you should use must. Example, a strong advice instruction example. You must take medicine in time. You must take medicine in time. Another example, he must do as he is told. Another example, candidates must answer all the questions. This is example of instruction. With a strong advice and a strong instruction, we use must. Second is a strong determination. Also, determination is strong. At that time also we will speak must. Example, I must help you. This is my strong determination. I must help you. I must help you. Another example, we must be honest. We must be honest. This is a strong determination. Third situation, a strong present past possibility. Possibility of present time or past time. If that possibility is very strong, in that situation we will must. For example, he must be sleeping. He is a late riser, so we can guess at present time. He must be sleeping. This is a strong present possibility. And past possibility about you must have heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi. You must have heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi. This is also possibility, a strong possibility of past time. In past time, you have heard. You must have heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi. So, this is the use of must. Now the use of ought to. Ought to. When we will use ought to? For moral duty. Moral duty. Example, everybody ought to protect his friends. Everybody ought to protect his friends. This is moral duty. You ought to help the poor. Moral duty. Another example, we ought to help our neighbor. Second situation, possibility. For possibility also ought to use. Example, we ought to win the match. We ought to win the match. Possibility that in future we will win the match. Third situation, advice. For giving advice, ought to also used. Example, you ought to read this book. This is advice. You ought to read this book. You ought not to be late. You ought not to be late. These are examples of advice. In all the three situations, situation 1 moral duty, situation 2 possibility, and situation 3 advice. In all these three situations, at the place of ought to, we can also write or speak should. We can also use should in place of ought to. That will be correct. Now the use of used to. Used to. Used to into situations. First, past habit or situation. About any past habit or situation, used to is used. Example, past habit or past condition situation. Example, example is he used to walk every morning. It means it was his past habit, now he doesn't walk. It means now he doesn't walk, only in the past. He used to walk in the morning. It means in past time he walked, not at present time. Another example, there used to be mango trees. There used to be mango trees in this garden. It means in past time there were mango trees in this garden. Now there are no mango trees. This is a condition or situation, not habit. Now in this garden there are no mango trees. In the past there were so mango trees. It was condition or situation of this garden. So for past time, any person's habit or any condition or situation, we use used to. Another situation is that as adjective. Used also used as adjective. And its meaning is accustomed. Accustomed means habituated. Any persons having any habit. Accustomed. As adjective. Used as adjective, meaning accustomed or habituated. And in this situation, we can use all the three tenses, present, past, future. All three tenses it can be used. And its structure will be be, become, get, be become get plus used to plus noun pronoun gerund, used to plus noun pronoun gerund. Example, he is a marble verb. He is used to working. He is used to working very hard. He is used to working, ing form, gerund. He is used to working very hard. It means it is his habit to work very hard. In present. In past also we can write he was. Past, he was used to working very hard. In future, he will be used to working very hard. Same meaning, be, become, get, all the three has same meaning. He became used to, he will become used to working very hard. He got used to working very hard. He will get used to working very hard. My friend is used to hard work. Now, my friend is used to hard work. It means he has the habit of doing hard work. So as adjective, it also used as adjective. It shows habit. It shows habit in all three tenses: present, past, future. All three times this structure can be used. The last class of modals we will study tomorrow. Thank you.